Got money on my mind, I swear I'm gonna win, even if it kills me. I got money on my mind, the only way I'm gonna rest is if these motherfuckers kill me. I got money on my mind.
Okay guys, welcome back, and as you can see the camera's now on my head as we're going to be restoring the headlights on the 535 diesel. As you can see, they're all clouded up and they need to be restored because of, obviously, as you guys know, it's an MOT failure, and also the bulbs that obviously Maz gave me haven't been the correct ones. I tried to change the bulbs to the headlight out and they're the wrong bulbs for this car, so we need to start getting some other proper HID bulbs because they're not the correct ones. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to crack on and I'm going to restore this whole headlight, and then we're going to move to the next one. As you can see it before, it's quite misted up, as you see right here, and it's not in good condition, so we need to get that properly restored. You guys are going to watch me as I've got the head cam on, and you guys will be able to see exactly how we do it and how to do it. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray water all over the headlights itself. As you've seen me do this before, but now you get to see fully clear, so I don't really have to worry about the GoPro, it's waterproof. So as you'll see, we're just wetting it the same right here. So we just wet the whole headlight, very easy to do, and we're going to do this nicely. So now that's all wet, what we're going to do is now we're going to go and get the sandpaper and we're going to start sanding it down. So we're going to start off with an 800, 12 and work our way up, not down. So let's go and get the sandpaper and crack. Now we're going to dry it off and switch to the other sandpaper. So now what we're going to do is re-wet the light again, or the headlight. And as you can see, then what we're going to do is just wet a bit of sandpaper, then we're going to do it all again. So now what we're going to do is go to the other side and wipe this off again. So as you'll see guys, now we're going to the 2000 grip. So let's try that one off. And now let's get the polish and polish that up. So guys, as you'll see, here's the polish. So what we're going to do is just polish it all in. So as you'll see there, that's now done. So as you'll see right there guys, I've just put on the UV protective liquid, and now look how shiny the lights come out. Now that is looking a lot better than what it did before. So now we've done that, we've just rubbed it all on, and the light's looking so much better already, a lot more clearer. So now what we're going to do is go over to the other side and do the other one. So now we're over the other side of that other headlight, and we're just going to start with the 800 grit. As you can see, I'm just going to clear it all off. So now it's done, we're going to dry that one off. We're going to dry it off like this. Then we're going to move to the next sandpaper size. So we're just going to wet it again, the whole headlight. And we're going to wet the sandpaper a bit. And we're going to crack on again. Now we're going to use the other sandpaper. So as you'll see, we're going with the thicker one now. Now I'm just going to wipe that off again. And now we've got to polish it. Okay guys, so now we're going to just use the polish and paste, whatever the hell this is. And then now what we're going to do is we're just going to clean it off. As you'll see right there, the headlight looks a lot better now. We just need to put the other stuff on and finish this headlight. So as you'll see there guys, this is the headlight restoration now complete. Maz, I hope you like the car now, how it's come out. Look at the headlights compared to what they were before. The same on the other side. The other side's now been fully done, as you'll see here. Yeah, absolutely really shiny now compared to what they were before. And it looks actually brilliant. The car looks a lot more newer and fresher now since that's been now completed. So obviously, like I said, that's the job done. Okay guys, as you'll see here, this is the headlights now. I've took the car out of the garage, and as you can see, they're perfectly shiny. You'll see right on this side as well, this one's actually really shiny as well. They're actually perfect now. They didn't get brought to me like this, but now look at them. So obviously, as you guys probably see now, that's the headlight restoration now fully done, and it looks actually perfect. So Maz, there's your car, your headlights now back to normal and not all hazed up and everything. So next thing we've got to sort out is just the electronics and the rest of the engine side. Okay guys, so as you've just seen, I've now done, as I said, the headlight restoration on Maz's car. It looks actually brilliant now. It didn't look like that when it come to me. We've still got a long way to go before we get this car near perfect. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take the bumpers off and readdress a couple of problems on that car, like the parking sensors, and get to everything and just redo everything on the car. I've got to do the bumper trim clips down the bottom to get that car perfect. As I said, it's going to take a lot of money, but it's going to be well worth it once I've addressed all the problems on that car. I've got a funny feeling now I know what the central electronics problem is on this car. We're going to be doing that in another video. I think I've just seen something which when I was just got in the car, something hanging down, which I think is the main cause of the central electronics failure. So be sure to stay tuned for that. We've also got the oil change coming up, the vortex breather coming up, the swell flaps coming up, and whatever else we need to address on that car. So please stay tuned for that. As I said to you, this is BMW Doctor here. Thank you very much for watching. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know I've done this video previously on another E60, but I just thought I'll put another one out, as many of you probably haven't watched that one. So we've just done another one now. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and goodbye.